Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. Overland Off-Road, we'll get you there. Stealth Performance Products, providing diesel performance solutions. And by TS Brackets, drive your Jeep with outdoors in style.
All right, you know it's time to replace the refrigerant in your vehicle, but you don't want to do it because it's too much of a hassle. You know, if you take it to the shop, it's going to take a lot of time, and it's also going to take a lot of money. They're going to have your car for a few hours, and you're going to end up paying about $150 to $300 depending on where you take it. Now there's a smarter way to do it, and you can do it yourself, and it's called AC Avalanche. It makes replacing your R134A affordable and a lot easier than you might think. AC Avalanche works on the vast majority of cars and trucks, and yes, it is safe for your electric vehicle or your hybrid. And the first step toward installing it couldn't be easier. You look for the low side service port on your air conditioning line. That's the side with the plastic cap that's between the evaporator and the air compressor. That is where you'll connect the hose from your can of AC Avalanche. AC Avalanche has a pressure gauge right on the can too, but if your vehicle has a thermal expansion valve, as many do, this gauge may not work. That's when you want to reach for the smart clips, because AC Avalanche thought of everything. You clip those smart clips onto your center air vent and they'll change colors when the system is recharged. And to recharge the system, you're hooked up there to that low side service port. You push the button, the refrigerant starts flowing, rotate the can a little bit, and as soon as it's filled up, those smart clips will change colors. One will turn to blue, the other will turn to green, and of course, if the gauge is working for you, if you do not have that thermal expansion valve, that gauge will let you know when you are good to go as well. AC Avalanche is the smart way to recharge. It is also the affordable way to recharge. Check out acavalanche.com to find a dealer near you. We've been taking a look at the great line of products from our friends at The Last Coat, and if you're looking for a quick shine and a quick cleanup job on your car, Nick, you need a go-to. And well, that's exactly what you guys call it.
I got here. Yep.
Go-to, you got it. And what exactly is it?
This is a graphene ceramic-based waterless wash, and it is the first of its kind. No one else has it. This can be used also as a standalone sealant, but mainly designed as a waterless wash product for when you have some light dust or a bird dropping on your vehicle. Quick way to get rid of it.
Well, we've got both. Let's see how you get rid of it with Go-To. Yeah. How easy is it to apply?
Very easy. So we're first just going to shake up our bottle. We're going to get an even spraying on our surface here. We're going to take our blue towel here, and we are going to use lateral and horizontal movements. We do not want to be digging in and grinding these dirt particles into the surface.
Getting the swirl marks.
Getting those swirl marks, you know it. So we have a little bit of a bird dropping here. We're going to add a little bit more product.
Seems like the birds always find my car, so I'm glad this product exists. Yeah. That's fantastic.
So now we are going to take our second towel, and at this point, we can actually do some circular motions here to buff it off to a high gloss shine, and it is just slick as can be.
Now, how often do you need to apply this?
Just as your vehicle gets a light dusting, easy way to rid all that dirt and stuff and have a beautiful, gorgeous finish.
And what kind of prep work needs to be done before you do this?
Really nothing. So as long as the vehicle has a thin layer of dust, we don't want to be waterless washing something that has mud and rocks on the surface. But if it's a light layer of dust like this and you're looking for that gorgeous look, Go-To is your product.
And living where I do, you get a lot of pollen, and this would be perfect for that.
Guaranteed, yes.
All right, well, let's see how it looks compared to the other panel that has not been washed. And check that out. That is unbelievable. That is like a mirror. Very cool. It's called Go-To. It's from The Last Coat. You can check them out at thelastcoat.com/Motorhead. Well, it's been a real good show. I'm going to try to do one for you again next week, so be sure to join us then. In the meantime, you can check out our Facebook page and see what we're up to. And if you have a cool product you want to see featured on the show, email jeff@masterstv.com. From our entire crew here at our Borla Studios, we'll see you next time on Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coating. So long. All right, thanks, Brian. And going over here. Stupid.